Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. Dandelions everywhere. Darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss. Like ivy crawling up the wall, we need to feel the sun. 'Cause we've grown cold from contact lows, falling out of love. And maybe I've ignored the signs. I tend to romanticize. And maybe you tried too many times to tell me you're done just getting by. No, can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly, in another life, winter brought me to the water where we used to play. Frozen solid, sinking softly, songs of yesterday. Wilted lilacs painting all these broken memories. Blurred reflections on the ice of you close to me. 3 years, 11 months together after one night in Montreal. Red leaves are in the breeze of Nashville, and now I share this bed with someone new. Something's in the way the sunlight's hitting, it's got me thinking about you. Maybe it's the long nights and the short cold days, or the rate that the planets change position. Or maybe everything just has a time and place, and that's why you and I are out of season. Just like juniper in summer, oh, we were never meant to last. Easy on the ice, but no way that we'd survive. We were wilted, we were weathered, couldn't make it to September. Maybe it's the long nights and the short cold days, or the rate that the planets change position. Maybe everything just has a time and place, and that's why you and I are out of season. Maybe it's the long nights and the short cold days, or the rate that the planets change position. Or maybe everything just has a time and place, 'cause I know that this ended for a reason, and that's why you and I are out of season.
Well, you came to me in a dream last night and asked me, did I get your letter? How am I? Well, I'm holding on tight, and yes, I've been better. I've been better. 'Cause the truth is, I know you saw my words and stuttered and stammered for a while. Truth is, I know you saw my words, and confrontation's not my style. So you could call me cruel, and you could call me weak, but I'll just sit here and break, and you'll just sit and smile. Last night and asked me, did I get your letter? How are things? They're not the same, they're not the same since I changed my name. You could call me cruel, and you could call me weak, but I'll just sit here and break, and you'll just sit and smile.
said, son, you'll remember this day for the rest of your life. I think he's right. Mom said, now you've got something new to write about tonight. I think she's right.